In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a multiple project tracker in Smartsheet using a template. To get started, open Smartsheet and head to the template gallery. This is one of the fastest ways to build a solid project tracking system without having to create everything from scratch. The template gallery gives you pre-built layouts designed for different workflows, so it's a great place to begin if you want something organized and practical right away. Once you're there, search for project management templates or templates designed for handling multiple projects. The goal is to find a starting point that already includes the core structure you need. This saves time and helps make sure your tracker includes the most important fields for managing work across several projects at once. When you find a few options, choose a template that includes tasks, owners, dates, status, and project names. These columns are essential because they give you a clear view of what needs to be done, who is responsible, when deadlines are coming up, and how each project is progressing. Starting with these basic elements makes your tracker much easier to read and maintain over time. After selecting the template, customize the columns so they match the way your team actually works. You may want to rename certain fields, adjust date columns, or make the status options fit your process more closely. The idea here is to make the template useful for your real projects instead of forcing your projects into a structure that doesn't quite fit. Keeping the column setup clean and consistent will also make reporting much easier later. Next, add each project as a separate section or sheet. This helps keep information organized, especially if you're managing several projects with different timelines, team members, or priorities. If your projects are closely related, sections can work well within one sheet. If they're more complex, separate sheets may give you better control. Either way, the goal is to keep each project distinct while still making it easy to review everything together. Once your projects are in place, create reports or dashboards to summarize all projects. This is where Smartsheet becomes especially powerful. Reports let you pull key information from multiple sections or sheets into one view, while dashboards help present progress in a way that's easy to scan and share. This gives you a quick snapshot of deadlines, ownership, and current status across all active work. Finally, save your template and share it with your team. This makes collaboration much smoother and ensures everyone is working from the same structure. Before sharing, it's a good idea to quickly review the layout so everything is clear and easy to use. Once that's done, your multiple project tracker is ready to support your team more effectively.